let's do something cool real quick. Select the eyedropper tool, make a square, put that as my background, center it, let's make some new layers, select your ellipse tool, make it a perfect circle, gradient, make the gradient. All right, let's pick, I think, blue, and then I'm going for the orange. It's my second gradient color. Copy, let's make it a bit bigger, and then select the two, blend, make the blend, and then with your blend options, make sure that you select specify distance, and like I think 4 parts is fine, but you can change that however you need to. And if you don't have blend options down here, it will show up here in your drop down menu, and you'll find your blend options there. Okay, gonna select your curve tool. Also, this happens a lot. Make sure that you are on the outline setting. Just switch the two with the little square. Anyway, you just build whatever shape you want with the curve. Again, guys, no wrong answers. However the flow makes you want to flow, just flow. Now once you're done, select both, drop down menu, blend, and then replace spine. Boom! Look at that. You have a very weird looking thing. And again, see how it can be edited? As long as you have the direct selection tool selected, you can do whatever you want. I'm just gonna mess around here. I will fast forward. That is how you make something pretty cool, pretty sexy in Adobe Illustrator. Here is the final result. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and I hope you learned something, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Like and subscribe. Peace.